Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about the weighted graphs, networks, and the shortest path problem. For weighted graphs and networks, it is a graph where a number is associated with each edge. So we would attach a number to each edge. These numbers are called weights. So for weighted graphs and networks, in general, will be used for some real-life problems. For example, in this network, it shows the connections between town I, B, C, D, E, F. If we attach these numbers to this graph, and in general, you will be given what does this number mean for this graph. So this number here means the distance between each town. Therefore, as you can see, from town I to B, it is 7K, B to E are 4K. So this weight, it shows physical quantities. It could be distance, which is this example. It could be time. How long does it take to travel from one town to the other? 7 hours or 4 hours. Or it could also show the cost of traveling. Once we have the weighted graph, what we are interested in is what is the shortest distance we can travel from one place to the other. So to determine the shortest distance or time or the least cost to move around a network is called the shortest path problem. So we'll always want to find the shortest either distance or how long the minimum cost, or we want to reduce the time of traveling. So if we want to find the shortest route between town C to town F in the previous network, so we use the previous network, we want to find the shortest distance travel from town C to F. Right, so that means we want to start at C, finish at F. Let's have a look. From town C, we have two routes. So from C to B or C to D. What you are looking for is which edge has the smallest number. So 5 and 6, we probably want to consider travel from C to B. And then after B, we have three options: travel from B to I, B to E, or D. But compare the weights here. We have 7, 4, or 5. So of course we choose 4. Then from town B to E. Then E will only have one route, which is 7. Therefore, the shortest distance for this graph is going to be town C to B, then to E, then I will finish at town F. Then to work out the shortest path, it's going to be 5 plus 4 plus 7, which is 16K. That is all I would like to cover for this topic. I'm going to see you in the next video.